When you're getting hot and heavy with your partner, the last thing that you want to be doing is fumbling around at the back, trying to get it undone, being all clumsy and ruining the moment. So today I have with me the beautiful Jay, and we are going to show you exactly how to take off a bra using just one hand. You can use your left or your right, or I'll also show you how to do it with absolutely no hands at all. It's actually easier to do it with one hand than it is with two hands. So the first one is with your left hand, which is what I prefer. And what you do is you find the back of the bra where you've got the two clips here, and you put your thumb over the seam here on the left hand side, well, my left hand side, your right. And then your two fingers, your pointer and your middle finger, go over the two little clips here. And what you do is you kind of dig in your thumb in order to push the bra off. And then with your two pointer fingers, you flick out the clips like this. Yeah? So I'll show that a bit faster. So showing quickly, we're making out, and then bam, done. The other method is using your right hand, and there's two different ways to do this. So I like to use similar method to what we did with the left hand, but instead of pulling underneath with our thumb, we're actually pulling with our middle finger or our pointer finger, and then we're using the long part of our thumb in order to get those clips off. So with our pointer finger, we dig it under, pull it away from her body, and then with the thumb, you can push away those two clips like that. So one more time, we get our finger under, thumb on the side, and we push away like that. Now the other method with our right hand is to actually use our two pointer fingers. Our middle finger is actually going to go under the bra, and you're aiming for the edge of the seam. So not right where the clips are, but a little bit further back where there's that bump in the seam. You clamp your two pointer fingers, or pointer finger and middle finger, together, and then again we're using the flat part of our thumb to push it away. This one's less reliable for me, but we can push it away like that. Okay, so one more time. We slide our finger under, grab that seam, and then we push away. The reason that one hand is better than two is that if you're doing two hands, you've kind of got to grab it and get underneath in order to undo it. You can do this if you're not comfortable with one hand. You can put your two hands together, clamp those clips together, and then slide them out. So you can do that with two hands. It's just not as easy as with one hand. Another benefit of one hand is that you can actually do it over someone's t-shirt as well. So if you want to impress the ladies, then over the t-shirt, you can do that same technique to get it done. Or if you're really struggling, then the no-handed technique. Yeah? You shocked that there's a no-handed technique?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take your bra off without my hands.
Okay.
Can you take your bra off for me, please? And there you go. If you're really struggling, rather than fumbling around in the back and like having this awkward situation, just ask your partner, hey, can you help me? And they will help you. So if you have someone with a bra that has more than two clips, generally women with larger busts will have more than two clips, or different styles of bras sometimes have 4 or more. Corsets can have a whole bunch, up to 20. But you just use the same technique. You just put your thumb in, push under, and let go of 2, and then you just move your way down the bra like that. You probably could do it in one motion, but it'd be more difficult. Okay, let's see if I can get it off in one go. I'm gonna go right in the middle, push, nah, I still gotta do 2 times. So there you go, that's how to take off a bra.
That was fun.